the 2022 Jeep Wrangler. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, front dual-zone air conditioning, skid plates, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.